Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to delete a drop-down combo box from a fillable PDF. Also, I'll show you how to delete drop-down combo box item. Okay, firstly I'll show you how to delete a specific item from this combo box. Now select form option and select fit. Drag your mouse by selector box and press right button and select properties dialog box. And properties dialog box, select option. And this option menu here you can delete. I'll select in the option, select it, and now select delete, and this the option now delete, and go ahead option, see this in the option now delete. If you want to delete this whole combo box, simply select this field and drag your mouse cursor and press right button for the mouse and select edit, and this is delete. Yeah, and finally say this file option, save or save as, and it will be fully delete. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.